the Iranian parliament has already announced that it will close. But of course, as I mentioned many times na hindi po lang ang Iranian parliament ang decide. It is the sovereign leader na. So sa Iran. At pangalawa, ang Strait of Hormuz is a strategic narrow water gate that basically ito yung daanan, lagusan ng mga export na oil and gas commodities mula sa Saudi Arabia at sa 5 littoral states na nandyan sa GCC region to the global economy. And Asia, particularly China, India, Japan, and South Korea are, importing these commodities from the Gulf. So kung i-close yan, magkaroon ng problema sa supply ng langis, and there will be an implication doon sa pricing ng langis sa global market, which would immediately affect yung mga basic commodities, and therefore yung capacity ng mga Filipinos, in that case, doon sa pagbili ng mga commodities na kung saan may kinalaman doon sa langis, no?
Mm-mm.
So ganun po kahalaga, no? Na dapat kailangan pairalin ng diplomasiya at naniniwala ako na there is still ample time for diplomatic maneuvering over this actual military engagement and possible participation of other powers.
Okay.
So it's just a matter of time, and we just hope and pray na hindi mag-drop ito into an actual military confrontation or war between powers.